welcome back. So I decided to do a video with like products that I really love that are really inexpensive or really affordable, and I wanted to do a 5 under 5, but as I was looking for products that I really like, I came up with like 6 products, and then I was doing the research on the prices, and then it turns out a lot of the products were $6, like $6 dollars even, so I decided that I will just go with 6 under 6. So there are products here from brows to mascara to concealers and such. So I decided to just kind of do it by brand and we will go from there. So I'm going to start with e.l.f. I only have 2 things from them, surprisingly, but the first one is their tweezers. These are the best tweezers ever. And they are $2, like $2 even, no 99 or anything like that. And I get these at Target, or I always buy them whenever I can get my hands on them because they're really only $2, and I seem to lose them like bobby pins. So I love these. I'm gonna try to give a close-up shot and see how thin these are. See. Yeah, sort of. They are just so thin, and I always pluck my brows with them, and I never have like any problems with slipping. Camera's taking a while to focus. These, so I bought them in the past, really liked them, and then kind of they just disappeared and I stopped buying them. And then I remembered, oh yeah, I need tweezers, just pay $2. So definitely recommend the e.l.f. tweezers. They're really good. Something that I talk about all the time in my videos is the e.l.f. finishing powder. Now this is $6 even. I have the color Fair Light. I've actually hit pan on this one, so I use it all the time, but it's just better powders that I've ever tried for so inexpensive. I really like that stuff. You see me use it all the time, and sometimes I feel like I have to stop using it because it's like getting repetitive, but you know, it's just is what it is, and it survives when you drop it. So so the next thing I have is Wet n Wild, and I only have one product from them, and it's felt tip eyeliner, the Pro line. Now I know a lot of people don't like felt lip liners, but I absolutely love this one. I have the color dark brown and black. The dark brown is not, it's like almost black. It's almost like a charcoal. I wish they would have something that was more brown, but I like it. I've always used the black one. It just got so nice tip. It dries matte. You really don't have much problems with it. This is what the tip looks like. The fact that the product itself, is really, it's like smaller, so it's really easy to hold. At least for me. Some people might find it difficult, but I like it because I can be more precise with it. So that is that. And also on top of it, this is only $3.99, so $4. So I mean, you really can't, even if you want to just give it a try, you're not going to be out much money. The next thing are Essence mascaras. I have 3 here to show you. I have the Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Waterproof. And then I also have the Get Big Lashes 3 Triple Black Mascara. And then I have the Volume Style 8-Hour Curl and Hold. This is probably the one I like the most so far. The other ones I like a lot. The reason I got the waterproof is because we went on a little trip and I needed something that was going to last. And I also like this one. I'm wearing this one today. I believe that I need to get some more because I think these ones are all getting a little bit older. But I've tried, I think I have some in the empties, but you may see these in the empties coming up sooner. And then the last brand is NYX, and I have is the NYX Dark Circle Concealer. This is the fair one. I also have, I've talked about it in the past, but I'm going to kind of compare them in this video. This is the Pixie one, and I just want you to see the difference in color. So this one right here is the Pixie, and then this is the NYX one. You can kind of tell that they are not that different in tone. The Pixie one is, I'm going to swatch them next to each other just to show you a difference, and mostly a dupe for cheaper version. I would say that the NYX one is a little bit more creamier, and this one is a little bit more thick in texture. This one right here, let's see if I can get the swatch to focus. So this one right here, this is the Pixie and this is the NYX. The NYX is much lighter. So I find that the NYX is much lighter. This one is a bit more thicker. So, I mean, you kind of have to weigh your options, but they're both sold at Target, so you can check them out. This one is $6 even. I believe this one's over $10. So, I don't really know the price of this, but then this one I just checked out, and this is $6, so. The next thing that I have is the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. For the longest time, I just used a clear mascara from, like, Maybelline or CoverGirl. Obviously those brands are not cruelty free. Hi, we are cruelty free here on this channel. So I went and I got this one, and I really like it because it kind of almost looks like a mascara. The other kind of downfall is that normally when you see a clear mascara, you can kind of see that the inside is getting a little bit foggy, which you can still see it on this. You just have to pull the product out and then look at the tip of the brush and it will tell you. But I like this one. I have it on my brows today. It doesn't like make my brows feel like I have hairspray in them, but it definitely holds in place. I have some prominent brows. I didn't fill them in today. I just used this. So yeah, overall, this is all the things that I've been really loving and I use all the time. A lot of them you see in almost every single one of my videos, so you know that this is not no tricks, and this is how it is. So I love to buy inexpensive makeup. I mean, just come on, it's just more convenient, and you know, for your money to buy something like a mascara, for instance, when you have to replace these more often than anything ever. So it's just so nice to find something like this that is so great, because these are less than $5 without a doubt. So I just highly recommend everything that I showed in this video. It's Rachel approved. If that's a thing that I'm going to start doing, I'm not sure. So thank you guys so much for watching. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if it was, and don't forget to comment down below anything that you think that is really great that's under $5 or $6, and I will be sure to check it out and we can definitely go from there. If you did like this video and you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see more videos such as this. I do a lot of drugstore videos, and we are cruelty free, so you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before I can't figure out any more things to say, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.